All right, everybody, what are we doing today? Well, I'm going to be a Johnny today, but before I'm a Johnny, please, you be a good person, will you? Like and subscribe. That's what I need you to do to our YouTube channel. You've been very supportive, and I do appreciate it. What do I mean by a Johnny trade? Well, I think the market's at an inflection here. I think that maybe this resilient market is going to take a turnaround. And I don't just mean the 26 handles that is down right now and volatility up by 26 cents. I'm talking about maybe a little bit more of a sustained move down. So I'm going to go into something that's in the news. I'm going to talk about the airlines. I'm going to go into love. Why? Well, Spirit Airlines has gone away. It's no longer. Where are these people who are looking for a low-cost provider? And I know Love is not the low-cost provider it once was, but where are these people going to go to travel? Well, they're going to have to go to Love Airlines. Love Airlines down 53 cents. You're going to be able to do this trade better than me because I'm getting straight out bullish on Love. What am I doing here? Well, I'm going to go to the trade page, and I'm going to click on June with 45 days. The IV rank is high at 58. The stock is down near its lows for the day. I did this when the stock was a little bit higher. I sold these puts that are $345 bid right now. I sold them at $3. So I'm out about $65 already on this trade. Why am I doing the 40 puts? Because I want to get the delta in here. I'm going to get about 55, 57 deltas right now. When I did it, it was about 52-ish deltas. So as the stock goes lower, your puts are going to go higher. I'm selling puts, so that's a bullish trade in here. Now, you certainly could go down to the 37.5 puts and sell those for around $2.25. Like I said, I sold the 40 puts for around $3. At this point, with the stock down 55 cents, I might default to selling the 37.5 puts, giving myself a higher probability of success. That's 64% that we like. Anywhere between 60 and 68% is what I really look for. Now, on this 40 put here, you're closer to a 50-50 shot, but I want the delta risk. It's a synthetic covered call. If I buy stock and sell the 40 calls, it's exactly the same as selling the 40 puts. And I know there's no commission on buying the stock, but it'll save you in buying power. It'll only use $700, almost $800 in buying power. So that's my trade for today. Pretty simple. Almost $3 a day in Theta decay. Your delta's around 57. I got $3. You can get $3.65 right now for those puts. I don't think you need to be aggressive. As the market's going lower, so is Love right now. So put your offer in at mid-price or a little bit higher and wait for the stock to come to you. All right, everybody. What am I looking at doing right now? Well, I'm looking at you opening, moving, bringing, transferring your account to Tasty Trade, the #1 brokerage firm in the galaxy.